Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, crunchy butter tofu. This is inspired by the famous Southeast Asian recipe, butter prawn. So she'll start with firm tofu. Many kinds of tofu available here in Asia. This is a firm variety of tofu, which she'll cut into pieces about 2 or 3 centimeters. And this is a very simple and satisfying recipe, quick and easy. The flavor comes from these dried chilies and curry leaves. So now she's going to start to prepare her batter. About 1.5 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And today for the breading, she's using nestum, which is a mix of grains, rice, corn, and wheat. You could use crunched up cornflakes, breadcrumbs, or any combination. A little salt and pepper to the mix for flavor. And then she's just going to start adding water gradually, make it into a batter. Some vegetable oil in the wok, low heat, and now she's going to coat her pieces. Just coat and bread each one. So she's ready to start browning the pieces. You can see the oil is not that hot. And she'll set them so that they're a little separated and won't stick together, and will not move them at first until they start to brown up. Otherwise, they'll all stick together and lose the breading. Okay, so they're getting beautifully browned and crispy, and she'll add her curry leaves and chilies for flavor. These are dried chilies. If you put fresh chilies into hot oil, they might explode and splash your face with hot oil, so don't do it. Okay, well, we're not ready yet. Here comes the butter part, but in this case, it's a vegan recipe, so it's margarine. And she adds back her chili and curry leaves, which are a little toasty, and the rest of the nestum that was left over also to mix in with the butter and the flavor. And she'll give these guys their final little stir fry with the butter and the flavor and get them extra crispy. So the aroma is incredible, and these are crunchy. She's just going to garnish with a little bit of cilantro. This one we can use for comfort food or accompany a meal based on white rice. Hope you try this at home. It's really delicious, and it's a great way to use firm tofu. So thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.